This week, we're seeing a notable spike in business sentiment, with a score of plus 0.15 and momentum hitting plus 0.75. Historically, such a rapid increase in momentum suggests a significant shift in sentiment that you can leverage. What's particularly interesting is that this uptick coincides with 20 distinct semantic clusters emerging in discussions around business trends, indicating diverse and potentially actionable insights. Our API returns nuanced sentiment assessments tailored to your needs, providing real-time data that you can integrate seamlessly into your applications. Imagine using this data to enhance your decision-making tools, or to notify your users about emerging business trends before they become mainstream. Let's dig into the details. Head over to pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs to explore how to harness this data effectively.